Want to know a little baking secret? Let me tell you. It's the secret to soft cinnamon rolls. Do you wonder why some cinnamon rolls bake soft and gooey, while others turn out dry? Cinnamon roll dough can lose moisture in the oven when baking. Baking can cause the dough to dry. So grandmother used a small kitchen trick. Just before baking, she poured a little heavy cream or whipping cream around the rolls. For a pan of cinnamon rolls, about half a cup is usually enough. As the cinnamon rolls bake, something wonderful happens. The cream warms and begins to steam. That gentle moisture surrounds the dough. While the rolls rise and bake, the bottoms become rich and soft. The centers stay fluffy, and the tops turn beautifully golden. By the time the pan comes out of the oven, the spirals are tender, the centers are gooey, and the whole kitchen smells like cinnamon and butter. Sometimes the simplest kitchen tricks make the biggest difference. If you enjoy little kitchen ideas like these, be sure to like and follow Grandmother's Kitchen so you don't miss the recipes and tips we share here. And now, you know the secret to a soft, tender cinnamon roll. The good cinnamon roll never stays on the plate for long. Now here is our recipe for cinnamon rolls with a delicious cream cheese frosting. Just imagine the aroma of these baking in your kitchen. Soft, fluffy cinnamon rolls with sweet swirls and creamy frosting are easier to make than you might think. Grandmother's Kitchen, where the rolls are soft, the kitchen is warm, and the good tips are always shared.